Hi everyone! In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to turn off auto-formatting in Google Docs. This feature can sometimes be helpful, but it often changes things automatically, like capitalizing the first letter of a sentence, turning fractions into symbols, or applying styles you don't want. Let's go through how to disable it step by step. First, open Google Docs in your browser and select the document you'd like to work on. To see how auto-formatting works, try typing something like a lowercase word at the beginning of a sentence, or a fraction such as 1/2. You'll notice that Docs automatically changes the formatting. To turn this off, go to the menu at the top and click on Tools, then choose Preferences. A settings window will open and you'll see two tabs, General and Substitutions. Under General, you can uncheck the options you don't want, such as automatically capitalize words or detect links. This will stop Google Docs from making those automatic changes. Next, switch to the Substitutions tab. Here, you'll see a list of automatic replacements, like turning straight quotes into smart quotes or changing fractions into symbols. To stop this, simply uncheck Automatic Substitution or unselect individual substitutions you don't want. Once you've made your changes, click OK to save them. Now, try typing in your document again. This time, the auto-formatting should no longer apply. And that's it. You've successfully turned off auto-formatting in Google Docs. This gives you full control over how your text looks without unwanted changes. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more quick Google Docs tips. See you in the next video.